Today is my 25th birthday.
Happy birthday to you.
March 21st, and we're in a tornado watch. Good morning, and today is my 25th birthday. It's March 12th, 2022. And I'm now in my mid-20s. How do you feel about me turning 25?
I feel great.
About me turning 25?
Yeah. Because then, like I said, it makes me feel like I'm 25.
Kyle's 26.
No, I'm We're both in our mid-20s. I'm not 26, I'm 25.
I don't know how it goes. Is that right?
Perfect. So do you.
They're close.
With your red hair. Wait,
Never
Wait.
do it. Should I point the
okay,
camera?
take a picture real quick and let me see, because Kyle literally cannot take a picture
Well,
for
there's
his life.
this light right here. What do you?
I know, but do it how you were about to.
Okay.
Okay,
I
we'll
was
look
gonna do it
good.
like that.
Hold it the way I was holding it.
Okay.
Nope. Finger. No. Other finger
Over
down.
here.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Cheese.
Chelsea's 25. Boom.
Cheese.
Can I open this?
Of course. Oh, let me take a picture. Yeah. It's off.
You have to wait.
You have to take the balloons back though too with you.
It says.
No.
It says happy
Quarter.
25.
25.
It's really.
It's actually really.
It's really born in 1996.
And then it says Chelsea.
It's actually real name.
Yeah, we need to read the card for Chloe.
A little white out. Thank you.
You take a
Green
picture.
bags.
Hang on. Ay, qué mocha.
Do it.
Qué
Kyle, I think
mocha.
that your donut was the
Very
heavy one,
nice.
by the way.
What?
I think
Really?
your donut was the heavy
I
one.
could have spilled with all that blueberry.
Yeah.
I'll send it to you.
They just spilled.
You don't wear the crown.
Oh.
Come here, boobs.
Behind her.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Chloe. I mean, Chelsea.
That's just like your mom and dad. And many more.
Your hair
on channel
looks so
4.
good. Really?
Yeah.
Kyle's just agreeing because he cut the ends. Today is March 19th, and we're finally getting our vegan nom.
We've been out of it for 2 weeks.
Yes.
2 whole weeks. Chow down on the mighty. On the mighty big brunch burrito. Look at that.
Oh my god.
All for me. Chelsea didn't want any tacos.
I'm just having a side of hot sauce.
Yeah, you're just gonna drink it.
Today is gonna be the first day we have vegan nom since I turned 25. I'm a 25-year-old eating vegan nom. Can you believe it? And then the key is you just lather a whole bunch of hot sauce.
Just lather it on there.
Yes. Now we'll do a taste test. Do you love me?
More than anything. Do you love me?
Yes.
Cool.
We watched the movie Fresh last night. It's on Hulu. It's with the guy from He's from a superhero movie, but he's also from Gossip Girl, Carter Bazin. And then this other girl was in it. She's in something, but I don't remember. But it was about eating humans. It was
Cannibalism.
weird. Yeah, but it was weird. But I really liked the way it was shot because it was like a 70s movie. Ending could have been better.
But I think it was kind of like a like the dancing scenes, you know, like it's like the juxtaposition of the grotesque cannibalism and then the fun lightheartedness that he has.
Yeah.
Because even like when he pulls it out the first leg that we see, he's like dancing around the kitchen, like using it as like an air guitar.
Yeah.
So I just think that's kind of, I think it actually worked really well.
Yeah.
I think they committed to it and didn't like, I don't know, make it just super gross and...
Yeah, that's true. But there was times I would get scared. So that's why I would make the joke about Carter Bazin. Because I was like, put it in your head, he's from Gossip Girl.
Well,
He's
because
from
I
Gossip
think
Girl.
anyone could watch that movie. It wasn't too scary. You know, like it could be a trending like #1 movie. You know, like very popular. That's what I kind of think. Yeah. Oh shit! Squad up.
Whoa.
Damn, that's a whole herd of them.
I don't know if you can see this.
That was a lot of bikers.
Yeah. Wonder if any more is gonna come. Nope.
Did you say you wonder if Mandy Moore is gonna come? Why would Mandy Moore be here?
She lives
We
an
don't watch-
active lifestyle.
We gotta watch This Is Us.
Yeah.
I think I'm in a good place to watch it now.
We try not to watch This Is Us or A Million Little Things when we're sad or something's going on.
No, we just don't watch A Million Little Things.
A Million Little Things, you're gonna cry. I feel like I need to watch it because something
By
happened.
yourself, it's too much.
I'll watch it during the day by myself.
Every episode is like the worst thing in your life possibly could happen. It's like, okay, come on, we're tired of this. Show a little, like This Is Us does a better job
Yeah.
of balancing, you know. Life can still be good. It's not a million little shitty things, you know. That's what they should have made the show.
Oh,
A million little, there's another guy, there's another guy. You go, man, catch up to the group.
March 21st, and we're in a tornado watch, and it's pouring.
Bring it to Argentina, you better see the tower.
I think Ross likes it.
Yeah.
Daisy is terrified.
Shit, I don't want to go.
Oh, you okay?
Anything, I don't mind. Ain't no sun, it doesn't matter, I just lay on the couch. Daisy night.
Ross is the epitome of an old man.
Yeah. He's just sitting on his front porch.
She looked like, I was like,